Today we're going to be doing a product review, a different kind of product review. I was looking for something that I thought would be beneficial for me in doing things. I actually found this on eBay, of all places, and I couldn't find it on Amazon. Basically, if you deal with any type of hearing loss, which I have bilateral sensorial hearing loss, 65%, and if you don't have hearing aids in, pretty much, if you're just deaf, I can hear myself talk, but if I can't see somebody visually talking, I can read lips, I would not be able to hear them. Let's say a distance of more than 5 feet. Just guesstimating. So, what I found online was something cool, and I always grew up when you cup your ears, be able to amplify the noise. You see the shape here. This guy's name is the inventor of this. His name's Michael Riley. Haven't checked out any of his other stuff. Apparently, Big Ideas Incorporation, that's what his thing is. Found it on eBay. It's like $13 with tax and shipping. And this is what it's called. Earglasses. So it is sound magnifiers. So if you can see what this says here, basically boosts all the sound that you face. It's like cupping the hands behind your ears, only your arms won't get tired. Get up to 12 decibels of clean volume gain and the frequencies that people tend to lose first. You can also block the noise coming from the sides of your back. And on the sides here, it actually has that literature, what I just read, and it shows us frequencies and whatnot. So, if you are somebody that is experiencing hearing loss due to age or whatever, might be something you can try. And I thought, for $13, why not? And for somebody that, like me, that has moderate to severe hearing loss, I thought it was worth a shot. It comes with 2 silicone bands and 2 plastic ear guards, basically, is what I'm going to call them. That's what they look like. And for what I understand, probably, this is how you wrap it around and apply it to your ear. Not really instructions, and this is first time use. This is kind of what I think it's going to be like. Just like that. Now let's see if I actually got the instructions right. Directions for use. Earglasses sound magnifiers are like cupping your hands behind your ears, like I just demonstrated. First, take out the lenses and pull them apart. Put the flared rims of each lens face forward against your scalp behind your ear. Slide it forward to cup your ear. Then put one of the elastic bands around the rim of the lens to hold it securely in place. Do not use with firearms or facing loud noises. And it has very old pictures on the back. I'm not sure how long or how old this was developed, but and there you go. And now actually wearing these, I can hear myself talking louder. That's awesome. Oh yes, that's amazing. It really does amplify that. I can definitely tell the difference. That's stupid cool. You know, for 13 bucks, I can't get this one on, but it might be because of my glasses. For 13 bucks, there we go. So what, if you're in your own home, I wouldn't actually, ride around in a car like this, but say your hearing aid died. You don't have the $5,000 to fix it or get a new one in a jiffy. 13 bucks, this will work. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.